Unlock the beauty of the Japanese language with our new, designed specifically for beginners. This book makes learning hiragana easy, fun, and effective, with unique features to enhance your learning experience. Learn efficiently by focusing on characters with similar shapes. Reinforce your memory with easy-to-remember phrases. Access videos for each group of characters through convenient QR codes. Check the correct writing and pronunciation with our helpful video tutorials. Enhance your learning experience with vibrant illustrations for all vocabulary. Quickly grasp pronunciation with Romanized text. Confirm meanings with English translations for all phrases and words. Engaging practice words and colorful illustrations to keep you interested. Perfect for both children and adults. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, this book provides a structured approach to mastering hiragana. Get your copy today and start your journey to mastering hiragana.